Did you know? Sneezing spells trouble? Harmful pollutants floating indoors can trigger sneezing and respiratory irritation. Headaches at home. Elevated carbon dioxide and VOC levels from poor ventilation can lead to headaches and fatigue. AirX is presenting its microalgae-powered air purifier, which absorbs carbon dioxide and releases fresh oxygen by bringing real relief to your home. Visit Amazon or Flipkart to purchase your AirX O2 Plus Mini today with exciting festive season offers and EMI options.